Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up a Facebook page for your business on Android. Setting up a Facebook page for your business is a great way to promote your brand, connect with customers, and share updates and information. Here's how you can do it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the app. You'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu. Step 3. Scroll to Pages. Scroll down until you see the Pages option and tap on it. Step 4. Tap on Create. Tap on Create to start setting up your business page. Step 5. Name your page and tap Next. Name your page and tap on Next. If none of the options suit the purpose of your page, tap on Others. Step 6. Choose a suitable option. Scroll through the options to choose a suitable one for your business page. Step 7. Create a website or tap Skip. If you don't want to create a website, tap on Skip. Step 8. Upload a profile picture. You can upload a profile picture for your business page. Step 9. Hit Done. Once you're finished, hit Done. Step 10. Put a cover photo. You can put a cover photo for your business page, or you can skip this step. Step 11. Tap on Visit. Finally, tap on Visit to view your newly created Facebook page for your business. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can set up a Facebook page for your business on Android and start building your online presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.